Send smiles across the miles.
Big up my mother.
Auntie Cherry, me miss you.
Yell up the little London district.
Stay connected this holiday season with your loved ones near and far by sending greetings across the world.
Greetings across the world. Greetings across the world.
Big up, we are sending greetings out to everybody.
Greetings across the world.
Big up, we are sending greetings out to everybody.
Greetings across the world. Greetings across the world. Greetings across the world.
GATW starts now.
My name is Etta, and I'm sending greetings from New York to my family in Jamaica. I would like to send greetings to my son Tommy and Ryan, my granddaughter Tamar, my grandson Kevani, my niece Chantel, Nardia, Chrisan, my sister Kerrianne, my aunt G, Gloria, Auntie Karma, Auntie Liti, my cousins, all my family and friends in Louisville, Sister Claire, my niece Saskia, my brother Otis, my nephew Shane, my nephew Randy, my nephew Shiloh, my brother Horace, Marga, Nadine, to all my families and friends in St. Mary, Belfield Line, Louisville, Highgate, Another Bay, Portmore, St. Thomas Peachtree River, Kingston, Clonmel, to everyone. And to everyone who I don't call their name and you know me, I send you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year when it's come. Love you all. From Bronx, New York, Merry Christmas, Jamaica.
Hi, I'm Claude Thompson. I'm the Regional Manager for JN Money Services here in Canada. Bringing greetings to you from our office on behalf of our staff. We want to say special greetings, Christmas greetings to our colleagues in Jamaica, our head office, our general manager, our staff at the head office, and all the other locations around Jamaica. I also want to say greetings to my family and friends in Jamaica. My sister Sophie in St. Thomas, Claudia in Kingston, and Charmaine in Spanish Town. To all of my colleagues, families and friends in Jamaica, I want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. I know the challenges are great, but we're with you. All the best. From the JN Money team in Canada, Merry Christmas, Jamaica.
Yeah. Jamaica, my name is Ricky, I wish a speedy recovery and a prosperous New Year. You don't know. Everybody in Jamaica, bless up, cheer upon yourself. We know what happened, but it's God's will. And it's after a storm, it must be a calm. So make we join and love each other. One Jamaica, one love, one joy, one happiness. I'm from Portmore, St. Catherine, family them in St. Catherine, Damed. Big up my sister Nadine, brother Gary, Tony, Yvette, Keisha, and my niece and nephew them. Wish you a Merry Christmas. Pamsy, Fanny, everybody in Jamaica. Auntie, cousin, everybody in St. Catherine, Damed, Portmore, Auntie Dukes, and the whole family. Big up on yourself. Merry Christmas to everybody in Jamaica. Happy New Year when it comes. Big up on yourself. One Jamaica.
Greetings across the world. Greetings across the world.
Send smiles across the miles.
Big up my mother.
Auntie Cherry, me miss you.
Yell up the little London district.
Stay connected this holiday season with your loved ones near and far by sending greetings across the world.